fine, no.
How was the trip?
Stressful.
Eh?
Where is everywhere is quiet. Where is everyone?
Boma has gone to see her friend.
Oh.
And you know, Buffet. You know that one hardly stays home. So he has gone to see his friend.
Where is Onosoya?
She went, oh, here she comes.
Ah.
Father! You came! I'm so happy to see you.
Hi.
Welcome.
Yes. What happened to your leg?
Oh, I tripped and fell.
I ask again, what happened to your leg?
I tripped and fell.
Why are you looking at me like that? I didn't go with her.
Mama Boma. And you allow her to fetch water with this injured leg?
No, I'm just seeing the injured leg now. I didn't send her to go and fetch water even.
No. My mother has nothing to do with it. It happened on my way back.
Have you seen it?
You're welcome, Papa.
So how are you?
Well, as you can see, I am fine. I am shining. Mother is taking good care of me.
I'm a good mother.
So what are you supposed to tell her?
Thank you, Mother.
God bless you.
Let me drop the water inside.
Don't stress yourself. Let me help you.
Okay, thank you, Father. Then let me take your bag so that...
Your mother will carry it.
I'll carry this one. At least, let me carry this one.
No, I don't mind. I'll carry it.
No, don't worry. I can carry it. Let me do one now. You have fetched water. If I carry the water, let me carry the bag.
The work is stressful, but we are doing our best.
God will continue to be with
Amen,
you.
amen. Onosoya. Bring my cup. So nice.
Everything is fine. No complaint at all. You can now continue what you're doing in the kitchen.
Okay. Are you chasing her?
No,
Come back here. This is for you.
For me?
Yes.
Hey, my husband. God bless you. Thank you so much.
God will bless you too for accepting it. Also, you wear medium, right?
Yes.
This is for you.
This is for me! Thank you!
Your shoe size size 48.
No, 38. 38.
38, yes. This is for you.
Thank you, Papa.
What about the others now? This leg.
Yes.
How you put on this?
Yes.
What are you doing? Is that about Buffett? Where is Buffett's own? In fact, he's a man that will even come after you. Eh? Where is Boma's own? Is this one the only child you have in this house?
Why are you asking? Now, where are they? Are they here? The bag is still here. If they come,
I should take it inside the bag.
yeah, take it inside.
Okay. Thank you so much, Daddy.
He's almost a child you have. What about the man? And the one that's even after you as the man. You didn't buy anything for them. It's bought for you, so I'm even extra.
Honey! Papa! Honey soya! Have you eaten?
Yes, Papa.
Just now?
Yes, Papa.
Take the switch on it. Eat.
Okay. Thank you, Papa.
It's from your daddy, so eat it.
Thank you, Papa.
Maybe. Hope you like the fish. I should give you more. How about your siblings?
They're not back.
Since yesterday? Let's take the rest.
Okay, Papa.
It's children. It's children. Honey, these flowers are not well kept.
Oh.
So I think something has to be done about it.
No problem. I will call that boy that used to come and help us cut it to shape.
You mean okay?
Yes, I'll call him.
The one that cuts flowers?
Yes.
You can see this one. I have this one.
Yes, it's overgrown. I will see to it.
That reminds me, I have not seen Honest this morning.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes, I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem at all. I told her to go and rest because of her injured leg. So I don't know.
I see.
Father! Mother! Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine. Father.
Where are you coming from? I thought you said you said she go and rest because of her injured leg.
I didn't send her anywhere.
Mother, I thought you said
Did I send you anywhere? I asked you to go and rest because of your injured leg. Your problem is that you don't obey me in this house. Everything I say, you go contrary to it. Go and keep that machete at the back. Open your mouth to talk nonsense. When I said go and rest, before the leg will turn into something else. I asked her to go and rest. But sometimes you should talk to this your stubborn daughter. Her own is getting too much. She doesn't listen to anybody.
Well, you are supposed to be talking to her. You are her mother. Yes.
Of course I'm talking to her. You two should talk to her. You are her father.
You are the one that lives with them.
What is mother up to? I don't understand. She was the one that woke me up this morning very early and said I should go to the farm and weed the place. So why is she denying it? Anyway, I'm not surprised. As so she did behave. Only God knows what she won't tell them now.
My husband, I am tired. I am tired of this place. I am bored. I don't know what we are doing here. I want to know, what are your plans?
The plans has not changed. It remains the same. Like I told you earlier, I don't want us to leave this house and go and start paying rent to one man that calls himself landlord. Or we'll start answering tenants again after the encounter that brought us to this village.
I understand what you're talking about. So what is the way forward?
The contractor said the house we are building has reached the lintel level. So after which they will start roofing the house. Then wiring, painting, and other fittings will take place. So
that's a good one.
Yeah.
At least they're making progress, serious progress. There is hope.
And before I leave for the sea, I will go see the contractor. You know, these people that engage in handwork, they're not reliable, so I can't rely on their words. So I must go see things for myself.
No problem, that's good. One more thing, I want you to go see your uncle before you leave. I heard he's very, very sick.
Yeah, I will do that this morning. I will go and see him.
Please, I beg you. I don't want you to go there and start showing off. I don't want you to go there because he's sick. You want to buy heaven and earth for them. I don't subscribe to that. I don't like it. Eh? If he complains things are hard for him, complain to him that things are harder for you. Eh? After all, he has children.
But his children are not doing so well, you know that.
Is it our fault?
And that's why he's my uncle.
No, is it our fault that his children are not doing well? How is that our business? Are we the one that made the children not to do well?
I must commend all of you for living peacefully in this house. But, truth be told, I am not happy with your lifestyles, Boma and Buffy. It is so disrespectful that both of you are not behaving well. Especially you, as a woman, sleeping outside at this age. You should emulate your mother's lifestyle and that of your elder sister here. Mind you, we're in a small village. And eyes are seeing you, and tongues are wagging. You better change your lifestyle and turn a new leaf.
I have talked and talked. I have told them the dangers of staying out late and even sleeping out of their outside their family. Yes, they will not listen. I don't know how else to talk to these children. Now that you're here, please talk to them. Maybe they will hear your own.
And Boma, let me not come to this house again and see you put on such rag like you did the other day. You said it was fashion. I mean the day you went to Auntie Fona's house. Let me not say it. You should emulate your mother. Your mother dresses differently. And that was what attracted me when I was working in a firm in Anambra. And I got married to her. So change as a woman.
It's okay, Papa. You won't meet me that way again. I'll do better. I'll change.
Before I forget, honey,
Yes, Papa.
I will transfer the sum of 400,000 into your account
Thank you.
for your admission processing.
Thank you, Papa.
And also, I will give all of you 50,000 each and make sure you use the money judiciously. One more thing before I forget. Boma and Buffy, tell me what you want to do in future. Because I've not heard any of you talk about going to school since you left secondary school.
Why are you looking at me? Won't you answer the question? Why are you looking at me?
So why won't I look at you?
Can you two calm down?
Why won't I look at you?
Why must you look at me?
Be careful, though.
You be careful.
My
It's okay now.
I'll slap you.
Be careful.
I'll slap
Papa,
you.
warn your son.
See,
no.
Mama, hold your daughter. I'll slap you now.
Papa, warn your son. No. Warn your son. No. If not for one thing now, eh?
What will happen? Mom,
What?
I must confess, you're such a smooth criminal.
No, wait. What did I do this time?
Look at Mom. Why are you acting like you don't know what you did? No, I mean, Mom. Imagine how you deassociated yourself, claiming like you don't know what you do before that. Hi!
This is one problem with you. After taking all this nonsense, this is your ganja. You begin to yarn nonsense. What is wrong with you? No, you expect me to open this my mouth and tell your father that you have changed from a city thief to a village thief. And I'm aware of it. No, what? Let's start. And I should tell your father that I am allied to your sister's general merchandise of her body to all the men in this village and the outskirts.
Mommy, bring your
In
voice
the village
down.
and outskirts.
Mommy, bring
What
your
do you
voice
reason
down.
from your anus that I should open my mouth with all confidence and tell your father that your sister is a general donor?
Hi.
That does not make me a protective mother.
Mom, package your children now.
Not package yourself first. You started it.
Mommy, don't forget you're a partaker in this. So.
Then does that give me the impetus to open this my mouth and tell your father that I am aware of your endeavors lifestyle? Do you know what it means
Mommy,
for a mother to protect her children and still be a good wife?
Mommy, wait. Did you just call me your endeavors?
I am sorry. I guess that didn't come out well. But it's your brother, he started it. Because you two do not understand what it cost me to protect my children, yet be a good
Enough, Mom. Please, let's go inside.
Every time you be calling me your endeavors.
You change your ways.
Every time, change.
Woman, hold on this for me. Okay.
Mommy, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. What was that course you told your father you wanted to study in the university?
Loma.
No.
Yes, Mom.
That's very good. You know, I've not had time to go through that your letter. Because I've been very busy. Can you bring those letters? Let me look at them. Oh?
Okay, let me go and get them.
Okay, one is admission letter.
And for clearance.
Okay, that's very good.
Mommy,
When you go to school, give them the pieces of these letters. You are mad.
Mommy.
I am mommy. God punish you. Why are you mommy me? Do I look like that your stupid and worthless mother? You want to go to school? You go to that school in your grave. Idiot. Get out of here now!
What am I going to do without these letters now? No, they will not accept.
Go and kill yourself without the letters. Do I look like that your stupid dead mother? Who should have died and joined her in the grave without wasting your time living? You don't have no value. Hey, life is sweet when you do it well.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, so you mean you did that?
I gave her bass notes. I made sure I turned those things, I turned those papers into shreds. That admission letter, that clearance letter, I shredded one by one. I finished everything. That's how I go and present it to them as admission letter and a clearance list.
Oh yes. Mom, you have done very well.
What's that idiot thinking? Thinking you'll be on her side to talk money to the one that he gave her what?
She wants to go to university, when my beautiful daughter here is yet to even talk about going to school. That one did not pain me much. But the one that pained me, scattered my brain, is because she confirmed to me, she told her daddy she wants to study.
Wait, she wants to be a nurse or something.
If she had been planning to go study, to be a banker or to be a nurse, it would have been easier. But this one, she said she wants to go and study law. So she'll be able to convert all your father's property into her own personal use.
What?
Yes, you heard me. But even if she had wanted to study and grab from that law, it wouldn't have worked in this house. Because I wouldn't let her.
Mom, you have done very well. You have done very well, but there's one thing you haven't done.
But what is it that I should have done that I have not done?
Mommy, you told me Daddy gave her 400k.
Yes?
Fine. What is 400k still doing in the account of an investor like that?
You have a point. But how do you bring out the money from her account? You are not Yahoo. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, I have a plan. Come closer, let me tell you.
I should come closer. So you're not my mother. You and I who should come closer. So this training I'm trying to put in your head, you don't have it. Carry your stupid body and come here.
Sorry.
Onisaya. Onisaya. Onisaya! Ma kill you there.
Ma, you called me.
Did you hear your name?
Sorry, I was folding the clothes I just brought in. I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. You're very stupid. The clothes held your mouth that you couldn't use your mouth to answer me.
No, ma, I'm sorry, ma. I was just folding them.
Are you stupid or you're out of your mind? Between those rags you call clothes and mommy's call, which one is more important?
Ask her. Ask her.
I am sorry, please forgive me.
Where is your phone?
It is inside.
Go and bring it.
Ma?
I said go and bring it.
Let me go.
You don't need to go now. She disappeared with the phone. Even if she does, she will still come back to the same house. So don't bother yourself. Let's wait for her to come out. What you know how best to do.
Password. Please, put your password.
What's your password?
Take now.
What are you trying to do?
Put your password to your password before I give you the soundest slap on this earth.
Are you deaf? Put your password. Put it.
Okay, I don't want to put your password. Put your password! Boma, since she has refused to put the password, go and heat oil for me. In fact, to the highest centigrade.
Okay. I'll put the password. Your phone is open.
Give it to me.
How much does she have there? How much?
Hey! 450,000 naira.
What? And you and I does not have such amount in our account.
Clear everything. Do not leave a pin in that account. Clear everything.
Mommy, please. That's not my personal money. It's the money that Daddy gave me for my school. Please.
And you're not going to school again. Because I have done the admission letter and the clearance list. School for you is over. Go and drown yourself in Bonny River.
Mommy.
Was it like that?
Yes,
Mama,
mom.
go.
Yes, mom.
Oh, Bego.
Mommy, don't do this to me.
Should I keep the phone?
Mommy, please, I'm begging you.
Do you know you are very wicked?
Don't let me drag you.
Eh?
As I'll...
Can you imagine? 450,000 naira, mom. This girl is very wicked.
So Daddy has been taking care of this girl secretly.
Whom did I offend? Why is my heart so different? Did I commit any crime to be treated this way? It's just a matter of time. Everything will be okay.
Father, what is my own God? Give me my God.
What do you mean by that should be your own God? When I cook with the money, you eat. Isn't that part of the payment?
Mom, please stop this joke. What do you mean? Will you use the whole of 450,000? This is my own God.
Eat today, what to eat tomorrow?
Mom, please, I don't like that. I don't like tomorrow. I only believe in today. Give me my own share, please. I have something to do with money.
Bofeni, what is your problem? What exactly is the color of your problem? I know you're ranting because you know there is money. Do you know how come about the plan? Huh?
Tell me.
All this is you're doing is drugs. You just go and do it, go and do drugs. That's just it.
Talk about the plan. She has not even asking for anything.
Mommy, the fact that I've not asked does not mean I won't ask you. It's just that I'm waiting for all these things to settle down first. So I can get my share.
Okay. Since she's the one that initiated the plan, as you both know, and why didn't she tell her to transfer the money?
Like, yeah, about money. That's how your body will feel.
Oh my God, shake. Mom, please give me money, please let me go out.
No problem. I'll give you 50.
50 what? Mom, please, you can do better.
Oh, Mom, you're joking. You're joking, right?
What?
At least 100k each won't be bad now. You're not serious.
Thank God I have that number.
Call your account number.
46-220-9981. Senate.
Somebody cannot go. What time are you leaving? Call your own.
30 6969 61 88.
I've sent it.
You think I sent it back?
And I already have your beneficiary now. You're not part of it. I was just asking you. At least I am free now, right? Let me go to the backyard after.
This is a secret. Mommy! Mommy!
Anytime you see money, your body will shake. It's not my fault.
Mommy, where are you going?
Let me go to the backyard after.
Should I come and help you?
Crying. And you're still crying. Maybe I thought by now you would have cried a river. And this whole place would have been flooded with your tears. I brought a bucket to help you bail the water. I mean your tears. That means you're not doing a good job. Cry. That is what sinners do. They cry. And listen to me. If you breathe this word to your father, if you ever tell your father what happened, I will bury you alive. And if your spirit does otherwise, I will lock it up in a Fanta bottle and throw it into Orashi River. So your life is dependent on you. Anything that happens after now, you have yourself to be blamed. You have yourself to be blamed. This girl. This girl. Die! The daughter of a prostitute is worse than a prostitute. Idiot.
a shop for you. If you like, sell markets. If you like, go to your friend's place. That's your business. I'm going. Sell.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh my God. Onisoya, what happened to you? The other time it was your leg. Today your head. What happened?
What crime have you committed this time around? And aren't you supposed to be in school as we discussed?
My mother has shattered my dreams of becoming a lawyer.
What did she do?
She collected my phone and transferred all my money, including the one that father gave me for processing admission.
You have to put a call to your father to tell him what is going on.
I can't. She said if I do that, she would kill me and bury me in the compound.
That Auntie Grace. She's so wicked. I mean, wickedness runs in her vein. Now, wow.
No problems. Let's go and treat you. Stand up, huh? Okay.
Touch it, I will push you into that fire.
Mama, that's the new clothes that Daddy bought for me.
Oh, you were able to convince father to give away our clothes and you want to wear yours? Never.
I didn't say anything now, but I did not say anything.
Don't touch it! If you touch it, I will push. I'm not joking, no. I will push you into this fire. I'm not joking. Don't even try.
Mama, this is not fair now. This is not fair now. This is not fair. Remember, you're my blood sister.
Point of correction. I am not your blood. We are not related in any way. My mother is not a prostitute. You know how decent my mother is. In fact, father talks about it all the time. You are a witness to it. So do not... In fact, we are not related. Not even try am.
Mama, this is not fair now. This is not fair.
I will lie to you. See, I will lie to you. I'm not joking with you. Born. I don't...
Onisoya.
Ma?
Onisoya.
Ma? Mommy, I'm trying to solve one case like that, one imaginary case. If you see the case,
Are you mad? You are very mad. Who is solving case with you? Are you a lawyer already? Why are you solving case? Case Kiliwogi, idiot. Have you washed the plate we used in eating?
Yes.
Have you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you now left the house for me to sweep.
No. I have swept everywhere. I swept your room, I swept our room. I knew you might complain, so I even mopped the entire place. I didn't leave anything untouched.
I might complain. So, I have become a troublesome woman. That's what you're saying.
No, that is
Maybe
not...
I'm mad.
That's not what I said, though.
That's exactly what you said. You just called me a complainant.
That's not what I mean, ma.
It's like you want to use me to protect the lawyer you may not even become. You're solving a case. The next thing, you're twisting my own. You're bringing everything and putting it on my head because you're going to be a lawyer.
Sorry.
No problem. For opening your mouth to say that thing you just said, I will give you punishment. I will punish you severely. Go to the house now. Go inside this house. Go into the rooms. Bring out all the fans and clean. Wash all the toilets.
I have done that. I know that every morning I'm supposed to do that. So I have done that. See, Mommy, if you would check the environment, check the compound, I've cleaned it. Yes.
Including my shoes.
Yes, I've done everything.
Your sister's own.
Yes.
Your brother's own.
Yes, I didn't leave anything untouched. Okay. I've done all my daily routine.
No problem. I see. So I'm a liar now. But I don't use my eyes well again. Okay. No problem. Let me teach you how to swim.
But Mommy, I've already swept this place now.
Can't you see the worms that are sprouting up and bringing this sand? Didn't you see it? If you had eyes, you would have seen it and swept it. Even if it means sweeping it 1,000 times to make sure that these worms are defeated. You will do that. So let me teach you how to sweep.
But I didn't... Mommy!
Why are you running? No, why are you running? When you want to sweep, you carry your bum up like this. You cannot bend down to sweep like a woman should do. Idiot, you're running away. I don't want to say you run forever, but you will keep running. Idiot.
Mother!
Father,
Mommy, what are you doing now?
what does it look like I am doing? Olosoya,
You're sweeping everywhere. You're distracting me.
I am distracting you. From what?
Mommy, I told you I'm trying to solve a case.
Did you say you want to solve a case? What case? Is your father in prison? Let me ask you, Olosoya. Did any man promise to see you through school?
No.
Really? Good. You have read enough. Reading without reason is a waste of time. Enough.
Mommy! No.
You have read enough. Eh?
No. Now. Mommy, don't do this to me. Now. I'm begging you now. Please, don't. Mommy, please, I beg you. This is important to me. I beg you. Don't do this to me. Please.
Where I come from to marry your father, a child does not see an adult. If you come close to me, I'll kick you. A child does not see an adult sweeping, and the child is sitting watching. The child will come and struggle to take the broom from the elder until the elder surrenders and leaves the broom for the child. But in your own case, you sat here seated watching me sweep. It's my house.
But Mommy, you saw the compound was already swept before you took the broom.
I'm a witch now.
Mommy, please don't do this now. Mommy, please.
Come close to me. I'll kill you, idiot. Are you mad?
Don't forget we are family, meant to be together and live in peace and harmony.
Why did you choose this path for me? Why did you have to leave so early? If you knew you were going to leave, so why did you bother giving birth to me? And putting me in this world of cruelty? Why? Every day, I yearn and crave a mother's love and affection. But you are too far gone to even hear my cry. Mother, the cruelty of this world has eaten deep into my heart that I am not even sure if my scars will ever heal. If your spirit cannot comfort me while I am alive, then please come and take me with you, please.
I wish I can take you to her with immediate effect. And also, I wish you had the guts to take your life so you can go join her and rest in peace.
I forbid you for saying that.
Wait, you forbid me for saying what? For telling you the truth? Of what use are you? All you do is eat, sleep and wake up. You don't do anything. Oh well, here are my clothes. Make sure you wash them before you wash this piece of shit of yours.
Mama, do you realize that I'm actually your elder sister? Do you realize that?
Nice one. Elder sister, my foot. You are nothing but a piece of trash. So you heard me. Make sure you wash this. I don't want to come back and see them again.
Mother, you see what I am talking about? Why do I have to go through this? Why?
Sir. Wait. You have the guts to wash your clothes before mine?
Mama, I am your elder sister, not your slave. Do not allow your size deceive you just because you are fat.
You are my slave. And that is what you remain as. You are my slave, whether you like it or not.
Mama, let this be the first and last time you ask me to wash your clothes. If your clothes are dirty, gingerly carry them and wash yourself. What is wrong with you?
Wait, so you're telling me to my face that you will not wash my clothes? Huh?
You wore those clothes, Mama. You should be able to wash them.
So, this is how you want it. This is how you want it, right? Huh?
What are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing?
Since you don't want to wash my clothes, I decided to wash it myself.
Is that why you're messing up with the clothes I already washed?
As you can see, yes.
Mama, stop this nonsense. Mama, what is the meaning of this now? Mama, what is the meaning of
Take
this?
these things out of here.
I'm going to call Mommy, oh. I'm going to tell Mommy, what is this now?
I am here.
Mommy, see what Mama is doing.
What did she do?
She just came and she's bringing down my clothes to put her on, and my clothes are already dry.
Mother, while she was gossiping with her friend, I overheard her saying she wants to do laundry. So I decided to go and bring my clothes for her to wash. But she refused washing my clothes, only for her to wash hers. So now that I decided to wash mine, she's still complaining.
Is that exactly what happened?
Yes, that's what happened. I was washing, I was almost done. Then she came and told me that I should wash her clothes.
You are wrong.
How?
You were absolutely wrong. Why are you asking me how? Your sister begged you to help her wash her clothes and you refused. What do you expect her to do? To embrace you or praise you that you have done well? My dear, you deserve everything you got.
But Mother...
Have you matched those ones on the ground there?
Match it with your legs.
Match it well.
Stop now.
Can you shift? Shift! Take this filthy things away.
Is this on her own?
Mommy,
Is this on her own?
Mommy, don't stress yourself. Just go inside and rest.
I want to match it up.
Mommy, stop now. Mommy, can't.
Step on it.
God.
It's rag. These things are rag now. They are rag.
This is not fair now. This is not fair. This is not fair now. Why are you
Enjoy
doing
yourself,
this
my
to
child.
me now?
Don't forget we're a family, meant to be together and live in peace and harmony. Why so much hatred, so much wickedness? What's my offense?
What is this thing called again? Just sweet.
Mama, it is called shawarma.
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 Hey! This shawarma is very sweet. All this while you've been going out with your boyfriends. If this is the only thing you bring home for me, won't I be angry? All this while you go to pass night in your boyfriend's place. Should I be coming home with this? This is very sweet. It's a privilege to Igbo food.
You can say that again, Mama. We went outside town yesterday and I ate like no man's business, Mama. Even when I told him I wanted some to take to my mother, he did not hesitate to.
Listen,
That's how to know a rich guy. They always spoil their women with anything they want.
You know?
unlike the stingy ones. Very stingy. Dog cannot even taste their shit.
Mama, what do you mean by that?
Did I lie? Have you ever brought something like this to come and give your mother? Eh? Apart from the 10 naira puff puff, you want oil to dry my chest. Ah! Those that are not eating this, they don't know what they are missing. Hey.
Oh, I can say that again.
This food is not food for the poor.
Mm-mm.
As you can see.
No. How can the poor man be able to afford this one? It's not food for the poor. However, you know this shawarma. Devil! Devil!
I didn't do anything.
You are looking at me. See, this shawarma I'm eating and she has made it fall.
Mama, don't worry. When I go out again, I'll buy more. It's nothing now.
This time. Hey. But let me cut small from your own.
Mama, eat. I want you to get fat for me.
It's better to get fat than to get lean. Yes. It's not small, but it's drying you. You don't want fat. I need fat. It's my fat.
This is inhuman. How can you be feeding from the dustbin? Eh? It's high time I report to the Women Association.
No, ma, please. It has not gotten to that. Please, just help me keep it a secret. I beg you.
Why?
Please.
Why? Have you reported to your father?
No, I cannot. Oh. I don't want them to fight now. It's going to spoil their marriage.
You should not be thinking of their marriage. What you should be thinking of is your health. Eh? Anyways, you can come to the shop or the house. Whenever you are hungry, just come and take anything you want. Eat anything you want. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
My house is your house. You understand?
Thank you.
And one more thing. That thing Esther told you about men yesterday, you better discard it. Men have nothing to offer you. You see that your dream of becoming a lawyer, just keep to it and you will become that thing you want to be. Oh?
Thank you, ma'am.
Just take care of yourself, yeah?
That's no mother.
And where are you coming from?
I went to see Esther.
How many times have I warned you about seeing that idiot?
Mother, she's...
Shut up. How dare you open your stupid mouth to talk when I'm talking? Are you mad?
Mama, she went to continue the gossip they started.
Mother, that's not true.
So what is not true? That you left this house without telling me? Huh? I know you must be very hungry.
Yes, ma'am.
Your food is in the pot.
Thank you, ma.
Why eat the one that will make you strong to roam the streets? Should not in this. Why are you standing there like a log of wood looking at me? What is wrong with you?
You said I should go to the pot that there's food.
Is there no food in the pot? Or you want me to give you my own portion?
No, that the pot is empty.
So what do you want me to do? No, tell me now, what do you want me to do? I should not eat? You want me to do what I've eaten to give to you?
No, now. Before I left the house, I cooked, hoping that when I come back, we'll all eat at a time.
Oh, so you want me to wait for you? By the time you finish roaming the whole village, I will now eat with you. Is that what you're saying?
No, but at least I should have kept my own.
Eat at a time as what?
That place you're coming from, they didn't give you food. Okay, no problem. Wait till the night. That is one night we are going to cook. Then you can eat then.
Since you decided not to wash my clothes, just enjoy on an empty stomach. Just feel the vibe, feel the joy.
Look at my head. Look, I should be crying then. I'm crazy then.
Idiot. One thing I like about her, she knows how to cry.
And that makes her the useless girl she is.
Hello.
Why so much hatred, so much wickedness? What's my offense? We are family, supposed to live together in love. I am pained in my heart, I'm so heartbroken. What's my offense?
Where I come from, it is said that when you wake up in the morning and a chicken starts chasing you, so you run away from it. You don't know if you brought it in the night. You said you want us to talk. I don't know, am I safe?
Yes, you're safe, mother. I just want us to have a heart-to-heart.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay. So an idea came to my mind and I thought I should share it with you.
Okay. Listen.
Mommy, I think I should get a job. So that instead of sitting at home doing nothing, I'll be going out and also help with the expenses at home.
Did you hear yourself?
Yes.
Oh, we want to use financial help as an excuse to start prostituting yourself around this village.
No, Mother, that's not what I mean, no.
Will you shut up? Did I ask you to give me money?
No.
Did I tell you I am looking for financial help?
No.
You see that freedom you're looking for? To go around this village flirting with all the men, you never have it. And this should be the first and the last time I will ever hear you that you're looking for a job. Idiot. I will not warn you again. This house you will stay. I don't ever want you to say I am going there to look for nonsense. You want to be a prostitute like your late mother. Idiot.
What did I say that's so bad now? What did I say wrong?
Ma. Oh,
my dear. Are you done freshening up?
Yes, I'm done.
You're looking so fresh and beautiful.
Thank you.
Have you heard the latest?
What's happening?
I was on my own, sleeping, enjoying my morning sleep. I don't know if our maid has eaten a lion's heart. This idiot came to my room, tapped on my foot.
And you didn't give her a dirty slap?
Asked me to wake up, and she wants to talk to me. I followed her without conscience, because I don't know, maybe in her sleep they initiated her into something, and this morning they gave her power to come and fight me. I don't want anybody to hurt me, so I followed her. And guess what she told me? Can you imagine that? That she wants to go out there to go look for a job.
A job?
Eh?
What kind of job is she going to look for? What happened to the ones she has in this house?
I should be asking you that. So what job is she doing?
She's taking care of us now.
You can say that again. I am happy you know that. When she's not done taking care of me, cooking for me, washing for me, mopping the floor, cleaning my shoes, cleaning the wardrobe, washing my expensive clothes, she wants to go out there to look for a job. And she wants to assist financially. And I asked her, who told her I was looking for a financial help? Don't I have a husband?
Mother, see, all we need to do is to separate her from that her useless friend Esther. Because that girl is influencing her.
Yes!
I don't see what she's learning from that.
And the next time I see that girl here, I'll break her.
Her eye is not good.
When her people see her, they will know that she came to my house.
Simple. Let's just stop her from coming here. All of a sudden she's looking for a job.
Let me go and see that with you.
I am pained in my heart. I'm so heartbroken. What's my offense? It's just a matter of time. Things will be okay. Things will be okay. It's just a matter of time. Things will be okay. Things will be okay.
Reality is playing out before my very eyes. Like the sun dies in the face of the sky, so does my hope and aspiration dwindle by every second that tick. So I will never become a lawyer. The wig, the coat, the screaming of "Objection, my lord!" will never become a reality. What on earth have I done to deserve such cruelty? Even to make my own money. I have been denied access to the beautiful world out there, and I have been confined and subjected between the walls of pain and sorrow. Who do I run to? Should I call my father? No. It will cause him unsettlement wherever he is. But I just can't let this well-painted, beautiful dream of mine die. No, it cannot happen because my dream is my strength. Why is that this number not going through? Why? Not now that I need to talk to him, please. Please. But I hope he's okay. I hope that he's okay. Boma. Boma.
What? If you call somebody sir, won't you rest?
Boma, I want to have a discussion with you.
Make it fast. As you can see, I'm not in a good mood. So just go straight to the point.
Boma, I know that you might get angry and tell your mother. But I will not find peace in my heart if I don't tell you the truth. Boma, the lifestyle you're living is not good. It doesn't befit you. Boma, you are a girl from a decent home. Sleeping around the village with different men, it's not good. Prostitution is bad, Boma. Asha will not be walk, oh.
It's like you're out of your mind. You must be crazy. Like, you must be really mad. Have you lost it? I told you I'm not in a good mood, and of all time, this is the time you have to tell me this rubbish.
Boma, you can slap me over and over again, but I will tell you the truth. Because if I do not, I will not have peace.
I would have given you another sound slap, but I'll leave it for a better day. If you try this nonsense again, if you stop me to tell me this rubbish again, you would understand why they call me woman. Mama! Mama!
Is that food?
Yes, it's just leftover.
Can I check if it's edible?
Okay.
Thank you, Boma. Thank you so much. God bless you.
I felt in my spirit you're not okay, so I said to come and check up on you.
My sister, I am tired. Like, I have been through hell. The only thing in my mind right now is to just kill myself and rest.
No. Why would you contemplate suicide at this young age of yours?
Why won't I? Esther, tell me, why will I not? I cannot do anything without receiving blame. I do not have my freedom. I cannot have thoughts of my own. I mean, what life is this?
This is terrible. I feel for you, my friend.
Esther, I get beaten over everything. Good, bad, they will beat me. My stepmother has refused to allow me read, even though she knows that she's the one who spoiled my chances of entering the university and becoming a lawyer. Still, she will not allow me to read.
I hope you're home alone.
Everybody has gone out now. I'm the only one that does not have any right to step out of this house without her permission.
It's fine. You know what? I want you to come by the shop later, as my auntie will be going and she will not be around.
I would like come, but I get close too much.
I'll have loved to help you, but you know that my auntie. I need to stay by for her.
What I say?
Welcome,
Mrs. Coach.
You're coach. Oh, you're answering me. What are you doing in my house? I know she must have told you that I stopped her from reading. So will you beat me?
Sorry.
This is her mouth runs like that. What have you been saying about me?
No, she didn't tell me anything.
Liar! You're a bloody liar from the pit of hell. Mother, they thought I went out, not knowing I was inside. These two were saying all sorts of things about us. Look at them. Deny.
You think I don't know? That this one, her mouth runs like tap. I don't know what she's capable of doing. You. Black devil. I have told you to stop coming to my house. You are the one misleading her. Maybe to coach her. And you're doing it well. Don't come to my house again. I will report you to your auntie. So that when she will see you with a bleeding head, she will know I did it to you. And you want to... You're pointing my name. Pointing my name. Come on.
You're ready. Come back. Come back. Stupid girl. Look at that one. You can't talk. Don't worry. You can't talk. I will see you. Mama, welcome. Don't mind these stupid girls. They don't have sense. Don't worry.
So after telling this girl that I have somewhere I'm going to, she just disappeared. Okay. Auntie, who is chasing you? Why are you breathing heavily like this?
It's Boma. Boma and her mother. They are the bench of killing with Sonia.
This poor girl again. What did she do?
Auntie, when I was going to Uncle V's house this morning, I saw Auntie Grace passed. It's not quite like I saw Boma passed also, so I presume nobody was at home. So I went to see my friend Miss Sonia. She's in a bad mood and she narrated everything that happened. Whenever Boma came in through the back door and she heard everything we're saying.
She heard you talking?
No, only Sonia. Before I could say Jack, see Auntie Grace in front of us. And Boma from nowhere came out and narrated everything that happened. She said the one that we said, both the ones that are true and the ones not true. She added salt, maggi, pepper, just to make the story sweet before her mother. And trust them now, they bounce on her like a hungry lion.
If not for Grace and her problems, I would have asked Onisoya to come live with us. The torture is too much.
Auntie, I swear, if you just make that attempt of bringing her out of that house, I will support you.
Support, call. Support me. I've seen how you supported your friends. See the way they were beating her the other day like goats. I've seen the support you have given to her.
Auntie,
you want to support me.
Leave that thing. I'm strong, I have power. If fight's gone, we'll fight her.
You?
Yes, no.
I pray. Better, nobody should just attempt. Because the next is that you are in Port Harcourt.
Auntie, forget that thing. Like, don't know the needs you have. I have power, me, Esther. Leave that thing, no. I have power.
Nobody should just attempt to beat me.
Leave that
thing,
I get
power. Because the next thing they will hear is that you are in Port Harcourt.
So, I get power to fight.
Come on, let me tell you what I want to tell you before leaving her bed. Is that not Boma and Grace coming?
It's just a matter of time. Things will be okay. Things will be okay. It's just a matter of time. Things will be okay. Things will be okay. Whom did I offend? Why is my heart so different? Did I commit any crime to be treated?
What am I even doing? No. Oh. Onisoya, no. You cannot be digging inside the garbage bin when you're in your father's house. That does not make any sense. No. I'm not doing this anymore. I cannot take this anymore. This is my father's house and I will be treated as his daughter. How many times have I asked you that same question every time you go out?
How dare you talk to me in that manner?
Well, I am sorry if I sounded rude to you, okay? If you want to know where I am going to, I will tell you. I am open. Unlike you who every time you go out, nobody knows where you're headed. Anyway, I'm going to look for a job.
You're going to look for a job when you're not done with the one at home.
Boma, enough is enough. Do you hear me? It is okay. Your mother stopped stopped me from going to school. I will not allow her to stop me from working. So I can eat. Mama, I go to the bin to pick food from the bin and eat. That's where I feed from. I cannot keep doing that. That's not where I belong now.
You're just looking for an avenue to prostitute. I'm so sure Mother will be proud of you if she hears you talk right now.
Yeah, me too. Excuse me.
Where do you think you're going? If you step an inch, I'll report to Mother. This girl has grown wings, so... Mother, you needed to have seen how she beats me up like a kid. Oh, because I asked her not to go out as you instructed.
Does she want to kill my child for me? Mutu, where did she tell you she was going?
She said she was going to look for a job.
Which job? After I told her never to leave this house, especially on this her useless job hunt. What?
Mother, you needed to have heard the things that came out of her dirty mouth. Her utterances. She said that you're mad. She said that I'm a daughter of a prostitute. She even said that Bofeni is a thief.
She said what?
She said you're a thief.
That I am a thief. Have I ever stolen from her? See, Mama, it's obvious we are going to lose a soul in this house today.
This one, I don't understand this you're talking. You are adding pepper. You are adding onions. You are adding maggi. Yes, I know that she has disobeyed me by leaving this house. Which you know, I am going to give it to her bass.
Yeah.
I will roast her. In fact, I will put her on my stick and roast her on my fire. I'll kill her today.
Mama, she even had the guts to say that she will not feed from the bin anymore, that she's better than that.
Who is she to say where she will feed from? It is where I say she will feed from, is where she will feed from. Who is she? That dustbin, she will continue to feed from that dustbin. Idiot.
Mama, relax. I will help you and do the job. Relax. I will beat that girl to my satisfaction today.
See how she beats me. See, my body is paining me. All my body is paining me. My head is paining me. All my body is paining me. Just look at me. How can that stupid girl beat me like this?
But you should be ashamed of yourself. Wait, though. You allowed that angry girl to beat you blue black. When you should have been the opposite. You beating her, sitting on top of her, and murmuring her well.
I was not ready now.
You were not ready. With all the shawarma catfish she's eating from the dustbin, and even small. You are eating all the big food. Yet you cannot even take care of her. Lazy bone. As big as you, I cannot beat.
It's not that I cannot beat her. It's not that I was just not. I have not eaten now.
No problem. I will punish her. Joseph, I don't even understand you kind of person. You complain and complain, yet you won't be able to do anything. Madam.
Good day.
Did you say good day?
Yes, ma.
Look at this environment. Look at this whole house. Does it look like a good day to you?
Ma, the environment is clean.
The environment is clean?
Yes, ma.
Therefore, the day is good because the environment is clean. You are mad. Where are you coming from? I heard everything you said. You said my daughter is a prostitute and I am an older prostitute, yes, and my son is an armed robber.
Me.
No, me. I said it. Me.
How can I say something like...
Shut up, you liar. Deny that you did not insult my mother.
For you to have disobeyed me to go out means you said and even say more.
Buffet.
So you have the nerve to call me a thief.
I swear to God, Buffet, I did not say anything like that.
Have I ever stolen from you?
I didn't say anything like that. Please.
Let me handle her first. Let me deal with her. For you to have disobeyed me to go out means you said it and said more.
Mommy, I swear to God, Mama, tell her what I said.
Mama, she told me what you said.
Call my name.
Because your mouth is not working again.
I did not insult.
For you to have gone out in disobedience of your own mother, who you call mother, means you did worse. So why did you go to look for a job?
Mommy, I was tired of eating from the dustbin now.
So you're the one that will tell yourself where to eat from. When I say you eat from the dustbin,
Mommy,
eat from the dustbin. Eat from the dustbin. Face her. Face her. Face her. Face her. Face her. Open the put her.
You're going to look for a job. Look at yourself. You're going to look for a job.
Hey, come here!
Come here!
Come here!
Come here! Nonsense.
Okay, you are running. Mama, I'll continue my own.
Continue.
You see, I did not do anything. I'm a gentle guy, but you see... Class, this is my beautiful mom. This one you are licking your lip. Know why you are here. Long run be doing your fine boy. Mommy, this is Charles. The guy I told you that will do the job very well.
Okay, nice. You're welcome. Do you live in this village?
Yes, but outskirts of the village.
Hey, the job is good now. At least you'll be taking her to that outskirts. Actually, it's a business and a job you will enjoy. She's relatively a fine girl, you know, and coffee. You know what I mean? With all this added advantage. So what I want you to do is make her become your girlfriend. Impregnate her. So impregnating her, deny the pregnancy. If possible, bring one of your friends to sleep with her. Let me see how she will still become her father's favorite.
This is going to be a difficult one. Seriously.
Nothing. Have you seen why always talk about you? I told you to bring somebody that will do this job, not the one Lily live at village boy.
No, it is not like I cannot deliver. The problem is, can you pay what I charge for this kind of thing?
To how much? Why are you wasting time?
200.
200 naira is what you say I cannot pay.
200
okay,
naira.
No problem. I will give you 2,000 naira. At least it will be enough for you to buy all the help you may need for the job.
Bobo, did you make me here to play childish games?
What do you want a childish game? I'm not talking about business. Who's playing? Do I look like a child to you? Let alone play the game of a child.
This is my mom. You are talking.
Oh, I think I'm done here.
Stop.
Stop what? I'm here talking about 200,000 naira. Mom is offering 200 naira. Do I look hungry? Stop
200,000?
Yes.
Where will I get that kind of money from? I called you to do a small job for me. No, my son, that 200,000 naira is too much for me. My son, I cannot afford it.
200,000 naira, too much for one whose husband works on the sea.
Oh. So you have sold us out already, Buffet?
No,
You're so useless.
No.
What? Get out.
Mother, you called me.
Yes, please. You know, I've thought about this job thing you talked about. And I decided on myself. And I said to myself, maybe this job you're looking for, you want to have, will make you a better person. And I said to myself, let me oblige you. Yes. Because when you start this job and start making money, you will not forget your siblings. You will carry them along. You will bless them financially. Or am I lying? Won't you help your siblings?
Yes, no, you're not lying.
Okay. So, I want you to start. I want you to go out. Stay as long as you want. And I won't be bothered. Even when you come back, I won't disturb you. You see? All this while, my problem has been that I see you as a baby. But I've come to realize that you are an adult that needs her privacy, that wants to explore. So go out there, explore, enjoy yourself. Come back as at when you want to. I won't disturb you. I understand after all, Boma goes out and comes when she wants to come. Do I kill her? So I'm equally giving you the freedom. Alright?
Mommy, I'm confused though.
What is confusing you?
You said I should
go and look for the job. Get the job, do the work, and enjoy. Oh, you don't want to go?
No, I want to go.
Okay. So, don't think about it. Get your stuff ready. Go and look for the job. No problem.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, ma.
Hey, don't worry about the chair. I will carry it. Oh?
What is it? What? What is it? Why do you keep pestering me? Why?
Look, I have never lost in a war of love.
I don't think this will work. Oh. I mean, 2 weeks is enough to get any girl.
You're right. This girl is being too difficult.
Like I said before, my name is Charles. And I've been following you for over 2 weeks just to get your name.
Mister?
You refused to give me your name.
Could you please tell me what I did wrong? Because I must have done something wrong to be pestered like this.
We're not making any headway at all.
But of a truth, I think that girl has a very strong will for power.
What?
I said she has a very strong will for success. I mean, can't you see?
Just your name, nothing more. Please.
Well, it might interest you to know that I do not have a name. Okay, I don't have a name.
How is it even possible that such a beautiful girl as you is nameless? Come on. Come on.
Can't you see how cute that guy looks?
Enough. I did not call you here to shower praises on her. I only called you to help me monitor this stupid girl.
Hey, but it's not my fault. Girl, see, I admire that girl's willpower. So strong that it can never be broken.
Mr. Charles, or whatever it is you call yourself, Chooks, Chuki, whatever. I don't care. But I need you to leave me alone.
If it's not me and you, now that guy for don't sweep us off our feet.
Only you, not me. You alone. Because as for me, I have a very strong willpower too.
You know what? Be strong willpower. That girl that I'm seeing has a focus on a goal.
Listen, I will not stand here and have you shower praises on this good for nothing. When you know why we are here.
Keziah, now you're talking.
Wait, did you just call me Keziah?
Did I? I am so sorry, my friend. It's just a slip of tongue.
You should be sorry. Next time I'll slap that tongue out your mouth.
The next time you stop me on the road like this, I promise you, I will insult you. I will give you the insult of your life. You will not believe it. What is it? Should I start avoiding this route because of you?
It hasn't gotten to
Yes,
this.
it has!
No verse. Oh, no verse. Please, 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 let's go. Don't mind this people.
Just your name and you can walk
Don't
away.
you have a job? Get a job if you don't have one.
Just give
Leave me alone,
just
Mr.
give
Charles.
me your name. Just your name. If you don't give me your name, I'm not leaving you.
How did it go? Mama, I don't think this strategy will work.
What strategy are you talking about? What strategy?
The strategy between Bofeni's friend and Onisoya.
Give them time. It's just 2 weeks.
Mother, 2 weeks is enough for any girl to give in. But in her case, she's just proving hard to get. I don't get it.
No, you're judging her based on yourself. Maybe you don't even wait for the man to call you before you fly into the man's arm like a mosquito or a bird. Eh? Give her time, be positive. She's not like you. She's probably planning to be close to the man so that the man will love her, playing hard to get. That's what women do.
Mother, the time is what I don't have. The time is what I don't have. I have things to do. I have places to go. I don't have that time.
I've always known you're not reliable. I've always known it. What is difficult in doing this small thing I asked you to do now? Don't worry. Next time I will do things myself. I won't even bring you into it.
Mother, you don't have to be angry now.
Why would I be angry? I've told you, I will never bring you into any of my problem again or agenda.
Mother, you don't have to be like this. It's just that it's making me feel jobless.
No, what job do you have? Tell me, what job do you have apart from flying from one man to the other? Going to see man in Abuja, going to see them in Owerri, going to see them in Port Harcourt. Before they even wink at you, you're already in their arms, frolicking with them. What else do you do?
Mama.
Mama what? Mama what? Say I have things to do. Makes you feel jobless. What job? They give you shawarma and catfish. What else?
Did you not eat the shawarma?
If I eat the shawarma, is it motor? Is it car? They do people, they give them car. You your own, I don't even see the men. Only see small shawarma. If you had bought shawarma like this, it would have been better.
Hey!
Is it not one chin shawarma like this you bought? Just one shaking it like this, I cut small. You now fell on the ground. Is that enjoyment?
Mother!
Mother what? Mother what?
Me, I don't like this thing, no. I'm not following her up and down again. I'm not doing.
Am I begging you? Go and follow the men you want to follow. Say she's playing hard to get. Maybe you wanted her to fly into the man's hand. Get out!
Me, I know, all I know is that I'm not following that stupid girl up and down anymore. I have things to go now. People want to see me.
I say, get out!
But I mean, I'm not going again. No.
Make a leg, yeah? And I'm not going there, I'm not going there again now. So I'm weak, idiot.
My friend, as I was coming from the harassment from that guy.
Which guy are you talking about?
That guy you almost choked life out of.
That's non-entity. That's anyhow person. Oh, see, leave that guy alone. You need to see the way he perches around like a fly looking for girls to eat up.
My friend, I think you're having a bad perception about him.
Esther, my perception is right. Do you hear me? My intuition says the guy is a womanizer and a troublemaker. Yes. How can you be vouching for somebody you don't even know?
Well, that's because when I was coming back, we had a little chat. And from our conversation, he seems a cool guy.
Maybe you should stop focusing on first appearance. But Esther, you need to see the way this guy chases me around. Like somebody that does not have any dignity, no self-respect. What kind of man is that?
Well, that's because he loves you. Yes, he told me that.
Love kill him dear. Ogun kill him and that's love. See, Esther, I cannot even imagine that I am dating a man that acts like a jobless human being. Men are hustling, you are chasing women around. Who does that?
That's enough. Why will you say that? He might turn out to be your husband tomorrow, you don't know.
Esther, it be like saying marriage dey hungry you. Marriage dey your eye. Abi, he's there. Abi, the other junction safe. Go and meet him and marry him. And Esther, let this be the first and last time you will ever discuss me with anybody. Please and please.
I beg you, I did not discuss you with him.
Yes. The one that you did is what?
I did not. When he asked me, I told him to go and ask by himself. I did not tell anything about you to him. Yes.
Okay. Oh, well, I've heard you. Go and bring me biscuits.
There's nothing in this shop.
You're lying.
There's nothing in the shop.
Well, you're really trying. It's not easy to convince a girl who is still a virgin. I mean, a disciplined one at that. You're trying.
Like, she's really disciplined. Like, her rules, very unbendable.
Well, you're right. She's really a hard nut to crack. But then again, I have an idea.
Okay.
For a while now, she has been going job hunting. Why don't you, convince her that you're going to give her a job? Maybe through a friend, so that, the whole process may just buy you more time too.
I don't think you understand this girl. She will still see it as a way of me trying to take advantage of her because she's looking for a job. She is too intelligent. I'm telling you, it won't work.
That's right, but why don't you try harder? I know she's a hard nut to break, but still, try.
Well, so, about the job hunting thing, a friend of mine that promised to help, although it's a hotel work, so it doesn't really pay that much, so you have to manage.
Manage care.
Yeah.
Look, at this point, nothing is too small. Like nothing. How much are they talking about?
50,000, just 50.
50,000 naira?
Yeah.
I am saying it's small. Hey! Shebi is every month.
Every month.
That's a huge amount of money now.
Although there's a little problem.
What is the problem now?
No, my friend is a manager in the hotel, right? So, but he would need to speak to the chairman, who will
sign off on the approval for them to start employing. So until that happens, we'll have to wait. But I believe it won't take long. Don't worry. Okay?
I just pray that God should just touch this chairman's heart too, so that they will approve this letter for me. I need this job.
Don't worry. Trust me now. It's a short thing. I mean, they are short-staffed, so they need to start employing as soon as possible, right? Don't worry.
Well, and
Okay?
I don't have any choice but to be patient. And you know, say this country, to get work for this country is not easy at all.
I know.
It's not beans.
I know. Well, but wait, we've been friends for some time now. You've not even bothered to even ask where this your friend is staying. It's not nice, man. It's not nice, man.
Hey, I knew it. I knew right from the first day that it was going to come down to this point. Okay, so because you're helping me get a job, you see that as an opportunity to take advantage of me? Seriously? You just acted like a typical man.
Calm down.
No, thank you very much.
Calm
It's okay.
down.
I don't need your job. It's fine.
I don't mean any harm. Calm down. I'm just saying, see, meeting here all the time and then buying drinks every day is costing a lot. And we all know the economic situation of this country. That's what I'm saying. If I had any ulterior motives, you would have known now. If I wanted to sleep with you, you would have known. Since I don't have anybody I talk to. You get? We have this brother-sister vibe. Like, you're like a sister, a younger sister to me. Do you get?
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure.
Hope this brother and sister that you're talking about is the main one. No, it's not the backyard brother and sister. Oh.
No. Since we've been friends. No. I've never tried anything. No. I'm not as bad as you think. Okay. Calm down. Any small you will just snap.
I have heard you.
Yeah?
Wala. Let's go.
Let's go. You'll be taking it easy.
I believe me.
Shut up! Will you shut up? That's how criminals behave. Under my eyes, before my very eyes, this girl almost raped my full-grown man.
Daddy, it is not true. I swear I did not do anything like that. I swear it's not true.
You should have seen the way she was stunning the man, smushing the man.
Okay. So this is how you go about in this village? Selling yourself kobo to men in this village?
No, Dad, no.
Shut up!
She told me she wants to go for job hunting. Initially, I had wanted to say no. But as the good mother I am, I said, this girl, instead of her to be staying idle at home, let her go and do something meaningful with her life. Lo and behold, she left. On a second thought, I said, no! All is not well. This girl is up to something cynical. Her dressing and everything, she looks like somebody that wants to go and flirt with a man.
Yes, so.
And I told the children. Didn't I tell you people?
You said it, Mama.
Oh. Hey. Do you know the man she went to go and do? Did I even say man? A boy! An underage boy. Is it not child abuse? Is she not over 20? Yes, she wants to do it with somebody that is less than 14 years.
Okay. Now let me ask you a question. Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Let me ask you a question. Did you actually go for job hunting or not? Ask yourself that question.
Yes, Daddy, I did, but I did not do any of this.
Shut up. You've answered me the question. You've answered me. Okay, now tell me. Schools are in section and you're still in the village. Schools are in section.
The main one. You gave her money for her admission. This girl squandered.
I made every provision.
But I begged her to go back to school. I said, since you have gotten your admission letter and the school fee, go back to school. Go to school. Go and finish your everything. She refused.
Okay.
Only for her to flirt with men.
No problem. Now let's end this matter quietly. Let's kill this girl and bury her. Let she die in peace.
Let her go and rest.
Yes.
No, Daddy, no, please.
Buffy,
Papa.
go and get me cutlass.
Cutlass?
Yes.
Long or short?
The long one. Bring it. Shut up your mouth.
Daddy, please, you have to
Shut up!
Mommy, please.
Will you keep quiet?
Bring it!
You know people that are like this, they always talk and talk. They won't even want to talk.
Daddy, no,
Shut up your mouth.
no, Daddy, no.
See, let's kill this girl so that she will rest peacefully. Let nobody hear about it.
Okay, Papa.
No, just move.
It's not better for you to go and rest in peace.
Hey, move.
Papa, start with the leg.
Move.
Papa, should I come and help you?
Don't worry.
You can do it alone.
I can do it alone.
Okay. Hey. Yes. Staff on the throat.
I will never allow you to bring shame upon my house. Move! Move! I will tell you that I have integrity in this village. Look. Go down. Go down, let me cut your head off.
Daddy, wait, please, just wait.
Now, tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. You know you are my daughter after my heart. So tell me, what happened?
Daddy, I swear to God, me and the guy only talked about a job. He told me that he was going to help me get a job. And he was very nice to me. So one day he asked me to come to his house so that we'll talk about the work he wants to give me, that he's not going to hurt me. I went to his house and then he changed completely into a different person. He tried to rape me. I was struggling with him before Mother came in. That's what happened.
So you mean he intended raping you?
Yeah.
Or you wanted raping the person?
No, that is not me.
Tell me the truth.
I swear it's not me.
Okay, so now tell me what happened. I gave you money for everything about your admission. So what happened that you started seeking for a job? Tell me what happened. Tell me now, confess and tell me.
Mother, Boma, and Buffet, they held me hostage, collected my phone and then transferred all the money into their account. They didn't even leave a small money for me to eat.
The money I sent to you?
Yes, Father.
They did all these things to you? And you never told me all these things. Okay, now tell me.
Father, I even eat from the bin. She stopped giving me food. Every time they eat, I'll go to the bin and take the leftovers and eat. That is how I've been feeding, and I did not want to say anything because I don't want you people to fight.
So all this is happening in my house?
Yes,
you mean your mother did all these things to you?
Yes, Father.
And you never told me? It's okay. I believe you. Stand up.
You believe me?
Stand up. I believe you. Now let us go home. Let me go and face them. Wipe all your tears. Wipe it off. Let's go home. Let's go.
Listen, none of you should breathe a word to outsiders. No one should hear it. Your father is about to kill his child, his daughter, in fact, his beloved. You know it's a crime against humanity. And if the police should hear it, they'll get him arrested. You know what that means? He will go to prison and hunger will finish us. So, your mom, quiet. Don't say a word.
Yes, Mom.
Grace! Grace, tell me. What will you get from wickedness? What will you get? You are a very wicked woman. Tell me, what will you get? What will you get?
What did I do?
Yes, you want me to kill my own daughter. Tell me. If not self-destruction, tell me.
What did you tell your father?
I told him everything that's been happening in the...
Everything like what?
And you lied against the innocent girl. After you succeeded in making this one useless. Look at Buffet. You've made him a thief almost. And this one a prostitute.
Father!
Yes!
Is that what she told you? Father, why would you say that? Is that what this girl told you?
Shut up your mouth before I cut you with cutlass. Shut up your mouth. That is what you succeeded in doing. What do you gain? What will you gain? Making me to almost kill my daughter, innocent. What happened to the money I gave of admission? You used the money for your self-own interest.
No! I didn't use it to buy a wrapper. Not did I use it to buy a house. I only used it to feed the family.
Now, what happened to your last 600,000 I gave to you a few days ago? I get notifications for every transaction. I get it. What happened to the money?
Is she hungry? I buy clothes for her, I take care of her. The money was not enough, so I added that one up.
So who has been eating from the dustbin? Tell me. I have warned you. Leave this innocent girl alone. Don't disturb this girl again. You succeeded in making this one useless. Look at them. That's what you succeeded in doing. Don't touch this girl again. Don't come close to this girl again. I've warned you. Leave this girl, you will not get anything for your wickedness.
I don't understand.
I have
what
told
this
you.
girl told you. What is this girl telling that you are holding the insult and insults on me?
To kill my own daughter. What are you doing?
Daddy!
You want to touch you? Touch that girl. Try it.
Auntie, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Nisa. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome, my dear.
I was coming to see you.
Okay, no, there's no problem.
No problem. But auntie, my father gave me money again for the to process my admission.
Okay.
So I want to transfer it to your account so that you help me hide it because I'm scared that they will collect it again.
No problems, no problems.
Okay, so I can send it to you.
No problems.
What bank?
Union Bank. Let me give you the account number.
Put the account number. Thank you very much. What of Esther?
She's fine. She's fine. She's in the shop.
Okay, I've sent the money.
No problem, my dear.
Auntie, just help me hold it.
I'll
collect it.
You don't have
much
problems
later.
with that. God will bless you.
Thank you, ma.
No problems, my dear. Take care of yourself.
All right, ma.
Where are you coming from?
Good afternoon, ma.
And I ask you, where are you coming from?
I went to Port Harcourt.
You went to Port Harcourt? To go and do what?
I went to process my admission.
Where is that money your father gave you?
I've used it for the admission. I've given the school.
What? Who did you tell?
Nobody.
You didn't tell me. Yet you call me mother. You didn't tell me. You think by reporting me to your father that everything has been forgotten. Let me warn you, this is just the beginning. Hand me your phone. Confetti! Confetti! Oh, come. Open this phone. Everything in this phone in her account, move it.
Mom, but that's
I don't want to hear what your daddy said. Your father is a human being, therefore he will not kill me. Neither will he kill you. Open it and move the money.
Mommy, cover me. Oh.
I'm here now. No fear.
There's nothing in her account. This account is empty.
What do you use the money to do?
Mommy, I told you now, I've used it to process my admission.
Don't forget we're family. Meant to be
Get out!
together and live in peace and harmony. Why so much hatred, so much wickedness? What's my offense? We are family, supposed to live together.
Our relationship in this house. And I've told myself I am nothing to write home about. I've not been fair to you. When I should have been a mother to you, and rather a thorn on your flesh. I have turned a new leaf. I want us to become one big family.
But mommy, we're not fighting now.
Why are you talking like that? I want us to bring this whole animosity. Let us bring it to the table and trash it. I know my children and I have hurt you. So don't say you're not hurt. Even me, I am hurt. But right now, I want us to put our cards on the table, apologize to each other, and move on as one big family.
To be honest, mommy, you haven't done me any harm. If there's anything I have learned to adjust and adapt to any situation I find myself. So you've done something good for me by helping me with that skill. I don't hold any grudge against you.
Are you saying the things, the beating, the denials, the eating in the dustbin, the way I have spoken to you, you're not angry?
No.
Come on. I know you are angry. You're a human being. You are angry, but I apologize. Please find a way you have to forgive me.
Okay.
I am sorry for everything. In fact, I'll be done a new leaf. I'll become a good mother to you.
Mommy, okay, yes, you are right. I am not very angry, just small.
I know, you're a human being. You're a human being.
But you know what they say, the anger of a brother doesn't go through the bone. It only ends up on the flesh where you can easily remove it. So, I don't hold any grudge against you or any of my siblings.
I am sorry. I ask for your forgiveness.
It's okay, Mommy, it's fine.
You've forgiven me?
I've forgiven you, even before you asked, I've forgiven you.
Oh, come and give me a hug. For your getting admission, I want to use this opportunity to say congratulations.
Thank you, Ma.
And to show that I'm happy for your admission, I made a sumptuous meal for you.
You cooked for me?
Yes. You know, garnished it with meat. You know, most times I don't give you meat, but this time I put close to more than 4 meat.
There's meat in the food?
Yes.
Oh my God!
So eat it and enjoy it.
Okay, thank you, Mommy.
So that you know that I am happy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And I love you. Let me go and bring the food.
Okay, Mommy. Oh? Okay. Ha! Is that why I had peace all through today? Like Mommy was in the kitchen without asking for my help.
Hold it. I'm not sending you an errand though.
Okay.
It's not a message.
Okay, Mommy.
Eh?
Okay.
Eh.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have you seen it?
Oh my God. Hey, see big meat.
Let me go and buy you juice to push it down.
You want to buy me juice
Wash
too?
it down. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Hey, seafood nah. Hello? Charles, what is it? Why are you calling me? No. You don't have anything to tell me. You don't, Charles. So, oh no. Buffet, no, it's my food. Charles!
What's wrong with you?
Don't touch my food, though.
Guess what?
So what you're trying to say that if my mother, if my stepmother did not come to my rescue, that's how you have raped me. Eh? You are not a good friend. You're a very bad person. You're a very, very bad person. Don't call my line again, no. Nonsense. Oh no, Buffet, no now. This is the food that mother made for me. Nothing my food. Mommy made this food for me.
Buffet! What are you doing?
He was eating my food.
What the food?
You see, I didn't eat you.
The put your mouth. What are you doing?
I don't know. You just came and started eating my food.
What the hell are you doing the food? What have you done?
Eh?
What did you put in the food? What did you put in the food?
I don't understand. What did you put in the food? Mommy, I didn't do anything.
What did you? Hey! What did you put in the food? What did you put in the food? What did you put?
I didn't put anything.
Buffet!
I didn't put anything, no.
Buffet!
you seen what you have done to me? You have taken my glory away from me. Out of your wickedness, you have killed my son, your own brother. You have stripped me of my glory. You have stripped me of my glory in my husband's house. You have stripped me of my glory in my husband's house. My husband. Come on here. Come on here.
What is going on?
Come on here.
What is happening?
Buffet is dead though. Buffet is dead though. Come on here.
I did not know.
What happened to your brother?
I don't know. My mother gave me food to eat and then she left to bring juice for me. Only for Buffet to come and tell me that I don't deserve to eat that kind of food. I went outside to make a call and then I came back and he was on the floor. I didn't do anything. I don't even know what happened.
I did her wrong by giving her food. I did you wrong by giving you food. If I don't give you food now, the world will say I'm starving you. Mama, come and see your brother.
What is going on here?
Your brother is dead. Onisoya has killed my son.
Bofeni, answer me.
She has killed my son.
Bofe, wake up. Bofe. What did you do to my brother?
I swear, Papa, I did not do anything. I swear.
Madam, no vessel, sorry. Who give am food wey him chop?
She was the one that gave him the food.
No, it was not me. She was the one that gave me food to eat and then I went out to make a call and then he told me that I should not eat the food. I don't deserve it. I came back and he was on the floor. I don't know what happened.
Okay, wait. Okay. You thought say now you give am food. Abi no be you give am food. No be you give am food.
I gave her food.
Okay, you gave her food.
Yes.
She come carry and give am.
Yes.
Okay. As wetin dey there be say as nobody gree say na him give am food wey him chop, wey come lie down like this, no problem. Wetin dey there be say e get place wey we go. If we reach there, we go fit confirm and we go know the truth go come out. At least na there we go know who give am food wey kill am, wey lie down like this. The truth go come out. My people, abi no be so?
Yes.
So we go know wetin we go do. Make we see as we take do am. Make we carry this boy comot for here. No be say we just stand here dey look. Make we know wetin we do. Abeg, who get car for here? How we take do am? So make we know wetin we do.
I see. And you see. And we see. And them see. You claim to be innocent. You have few minutes to make your confession before Omotami. Move forward if you claim to be innocent. You can never be innocent until Omotami says so. Stand on top of this mighty stone. Face the other side and repeat after me. Let the dark swallow me.
Let the dark swallow me.
Let the winds
Let the winds
blow away my soul.
Let the wind take away my soul.
If you claim to be innocent, the cloud shall meet with the day, and the day shall meet with the night. And let your spirit never rest until you are found guilty of this crime. No one can be innocent until Omotami says so. Omotami! Whosoever that claims to be innocent, let the person be innocent. But whosoever that is responsible must bear the consequences. Now. Now, more time. No one can claim to be innocent until you say so. Speak out! Speak now!
I killed my son. The poison was not actually meant for him. But before I could return with the juice, he had already died. And there was nothing I could do. I killed Joy, the mother of Onosei.
My mommy.
Because I wanted to have Thomas all to myself. I hated her so much out of jealousy. And I transferred the hatred to her daughter, Onosei. And I recruited my children into hating Onosei. Onosei's education was a huge challenge to me. And I made sure I turned her education into a mirage. The rape case, she did not rape anybody. Instead, I wanted her to be raped. But the rape didn't go as I planned. I wanted to ruin her life because of the way I hated her.
Mommy. Mommy, is she okay?
You don't have to touch her. Leave her. Leave her. Whosoever that sins, let her carry her sins. Amatame, 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 Amatame.
Sir, after watching Onusoya for a while now, I have decided that she is going to be the woman I would like to spend the rest of my life with.
Are you sure what you're saying?
Yes, sir. And I have come to seek for your consent in order to know when I can come with my people and marriage plans and introduction.
That's thoughtful of you, my son. Just tell me anytime you want to come with your people. You have my number. Call me and inform me so that we'll give you a good reception.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Okay, you're welcome. So, I have to take my leave now.
Alright, Daddy, let me see him off.
It's okay.
Just look at yourself. Just look at yourself. You are a disgrace to my family. A shame. You brought shame to my family. Imagine yourself with pregnancy. You don't even know who is responsible for it. 13 men who even say that their friends are also involved. That's 13 times 13 times 13. Only you. You're here calling me daddy. Calling me daddy. You're not ashamed of yourself.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
Stop your mouth. You had every opportunity to make yourself good. But you couldn't do it because of you and your mother. The wickedness. You can see where the whole evil has landed at. You can see it. Just, it's okay. Now, see the rejected stone. Look at her now. She has gotten who will marry her. You are here with a wanted pregnancy.
God will strengthen you. Your union will continue to work stronger. God will bless you with abundant blessing. Children upon children, money upon money, Any man that plans evil for you, that evil will go back to sender.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
You're welcome. You see this your invitation? I must be there.
Before Uncle, if you are not there, who else? No, tell me now, who else is going to be there? Your presence is very important.
I'm very happy for you.
Shebi, you know you're my chief bridesmaid.
Of course.
So better get ready. So that when I call you, you just give me your measurement and I will send it to the designer.
Onisoye, my dear, see that money you gave me to keep for you. I traded with that money and it has yielded interest. 200,000 extra.
Are you serious?
Very, very serious. So I don't know if you will need it in cash or transfer.
Wait, you want to give it to me with interest?
It's your money.
Wow, that's so kind of you. Wow, that's so kind of you. But I think you can keep the money. I'm marveled. I don't know. There's still kind of persons like this. You're so
amazing.
Kind. You're so kind.
Why?
You can keep the money.
It's for your wife.
Yes, but the money should be for you. I will take care of her.
Hey.
Whatever it may cost.
Yes, you can keep it.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Yes, so
Hey.
thank God.
Your union is blessed.
Amen.
You will run and walk.
Amen.
And you will never stumble.
I trust you, but make sure you respect him.
I will respect him.
Sir, and I want to thank you for your support during our marriage.
Why?
You deserve the best.
You don't have to. Both of you are my children. You don't have to go to that extent to thank me.
Papa, that is true. But every good father deserves to be acknowledged and praised.
Yes. And I want to let you know that I will be flying back with her next week.
You taking her to America next week? You have such a big plan and you never told me.
Sorry it's coming late.
Hey.
And who your details? Your account details.
What? My account number?
Yeah, your account number.
Auntie loves you. Auntie loves you. I'll see you soon, okay? Take care of my niece. I will.
You be it.
All the nice things you can eat.
How are you sure it's a girl?
Don't worry. Don't worry. You will see.
I'll transfer 1.5 million into your account now, just to show appreciation.
1.5 million naira.
Yes, madam.
Hey! Honey,
Papa.
please, I thank you so much. My in-law. God will bless you. God will bless you richly. Hey!
And my wife told me that you're having a small project, which you are serving us.
Yes, I have a building project close to our church permanent site. It's ongoing.
You just get the expenses and let me know. I and my wife will send the message across.
Again.
Yes, madam.
Hey! Honey. Please, my in-law, thank you so much. God will bless you richly.
Amen.
Hey!
Papa.
Hey!
Take care of my sister.
Sure. I'll take good care of her. Sure, she's blinking.
I miss you so much. Oh, Papa, wait now. Let me say goodbye to my niece.
now.
Bye, baby. Auntie will see you soon.
Say bye, Auntie.
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself. You're not ashamed of yourself. You can see the reward of dignity. She kept herself, and now she has gotten a husband. You're here with your stomach like this. 13 times, 13 times, 13, only you.
It's just a matter of time. Things will be